Hi, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching from. Okay, a quick one. I want to clear the air on something. Countless times I've got messages from people on my DM under my posts, and some are like questions, some are like criticism. We should accept because in life, anything you're doing, you're not being criticized, you won't go far. So I accept, but I just want to clear the air. Questions like, why are you using English language to teach Igbo language? I thought your aim is to promote Igbo language and all that. Okay, fine. Yes, the answer is yes. My aim is to promote Igbo language because all the guy has to say why on a one you cannot zone a way. Like in the midst of thousands of Igbo people, you get to realize that not even up to half percent, like 50% of that knows how to make use of the Igbo language or speak it. I'm sorry I'm using English language to pass this information, but I want it to